engineering simple. In this video, I'll quickly talk about some things you have to verify or check when you have the new transformer neutral grounded through a reactor or resistor, basically a low impedance. So in previous videos, I kind of showed how to size the neutral reactor or resistor if you want to limit the fault current, line to ground fault that a transformer would see. So let's assume, okay, so you have, for instance, H1, H2, bushing H3, and you have HO, which is grounded, and then you have the low voltage. So you have X1 terminal, X2, X3, and you have XO, then it's grounded. So XO is a bushing. And we showed basically you can ground through the neutral through a low impedance, which can be a reactor or a resistor. In the previous videos, which I recommend watching, I showed how to size the reactor or resistor, But one thing you have to remember when the neutral is not solidly grounded. So typically, let's assume this is 138 kV line to line voltage, and let's assume this is a 12 kV line to line. And this bushing XO might have a BIL of, so this XO might have a lower BIL, like 110 kV BIL. So that's kind of default or typical. But because now you added this impedance here, you want to make sure that this XO bushing is sized properly. Because if it's not sized properly, it can lead to a failure basically. So I just want to make sure, kind of convey this message. So anytime you have a neutral grounding reactor resistor, you also want to make sure that the neutral bushing is sized properly to avoid any failure. Thank you and have a great day.